Alright, I forgot to introduce this video. So today we're gonna go ahead, as mentioned in the last video, we're gonna remove everything that's left in here. I already removed the e-brake, now the shifter, the steering column, the AC blower, and all the insulation. Alright, so in the last video I ran out of memory card and the camera stopped recording, so I got the steering column out and I couldn't record it, so sorry about that. So it's the next day for me, and this is where I left off. I'm gonna keep on unclipping the harness from the bar, so then I can remove that bar and then get the AC blower out. After a few cables and clips and a few bolts, the interior fuse box comes out of the bracket, and then this whole harness comes out. This is the blower harness, all out. I think that's it. I think it's time for me to unbolt the bar and see if the whole blower comes out with it. I think that's it. I think it's separate from the bar right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bar. I think it's got 4 bolts inside and 2 on the firewall from the outside. Now you see those 2 right there, and I got 2 more over here. Alright, check this out. This is how to make your life impossible. Mazda decided to put a bolt holding the bar from the outside. Right in here, there's a plastic cap like this that you have to remove, but the bolt is all the way in there. To get to it, you have to remove the door, and to get the door out, you have to unclip this guy. And needless to say, it's a pain in the ass. So thank you, Mazda. There's the bolt in there. Alright, the door is back on the car. Make sure you align it well. And here's the bolt. Look at the size of this guy. It's a 14 millimeter, by the way. Alright, so the blower is finally out. So as I said before, the two bolts holding the bar, and then there is a plastic nut and that hole over there that you have to undo from the engine bay, and then you remove the whole thing. It's right there. Okay, to remove this is pretty simple. It's got a little tab on each side. You stick a screwdriver in there, like that. And you pull it out. The only thing I got left to do is the pedals and the carpet. Right, pedals and the harness coming from the engine that was coming from the fuse box is out. So I don't have anything left here. The only thing I got to do is just remove the carpet, and that'll be it. Alright guys, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Next video you see from me is gonna be about stitch welding the engine bay, or cleaning it up, preparing it for stitch weld. Then the one after that will be stitch welding, then the interior. So I'll see you then.